I would say Dunn is a great place to go work because of, for one, the environment. They make sure you're taken care of. They make sure if there's anything you need, you have that. As far as the team is very loving. I always like even when I talk to my friends now, like I'll see the CEO in passing and she speak, and that's that's a great thing to have right there. Not a lot of companies have that. I did. I loved it. The environment, as far as working with my leader, he was nice. Got John Glover over in the maintenance department. Everything was nice. I got a chance out to see the city, the surrounding areas. So I had a great time.
All of the team members that I talked to at Dawn and the recruiters were super duper helpful and also really communicative, which I really enjoyed. So throughout the interview process and kind of communicating back with them, and that gave me a really good first impression for Dawn because I really liked that people forward and kind of even just as an intern, they were still very much keeping all of those things in consideration. It's been a great opportunity to kind of get to network and meet so many different people within Dawn and all the other interns and all the fun activities we've done this summer. So it's been a really great opportunity, and I've gotten to work on a lot of really cool projects that I'm passionate about and also will be really helpful to me in my future career.
This summer, my mentor is Sarah. She's very professional, so she told me a lot of the what's the function of the ingredients, what's the natural ingredients do the function in the final product. So she always helped me and asked, "Do you need some help?" So besides that, she gave me a lot of support, led me to collaborate with other team like QA, the innovation studio people, and also the the team.
It's kind of built in a way for the interns to actually have a great experience and learn. All of us interns are really involved with what we're doing. We're making a real impact on the business, and I think that can be somewhat unique as far as internships go. Here, they're kind of giving you your own job and own, project to work on that, they might be involved with, but really it's your own work and it's your own impact to the business.